Hi, I'm Gilly from the digital team at Turn2us. Thank you for being the first digital buddies to be using the Turn2us Connect system. What I'm going to show you today is a little bit of a tour of the beta version. So this is the basic version that we're going live with. There will be more functionality coming later and added as we go on, but this is the minimum that we can go live with that will allow you to start having conversations with your connections. So Lauren will have set you up on the system. You'll have received an email with a link to set up your password. So once you have that, you'll be able to log in. And once you've logged in, you'll see this view, which is your dashboard view. And if you click on the top left logo, you can always come back to this, this page of the app. So from here, you can see 3 pending connection requests. All of you digital buddies will see the same pending connections. These are all the connections that are waiting to be connected with a buddy. So if you feel that you can take on another connection, this is where you come to. So you can go in there, have a look, and you'll see a bit of background about each connection. You can also see how long they've been waiting to connect with somebody. So the idea is that you would take the first person because they have been waiting the longest time to be connected. You can see this person's been waiting 6 hours. Christian's only been waiting 5 minutes. So you'll be able to see a bit of background about this person. If they've got a benefits calculation that they've been happy to share with you, you'll see that calculation reference. And within the volunteers resource centre, you can see how you can actually view their benefits calculation. So once you've had a read of their situation, it won't be as long as that, you can accept that connection. And once you've clicked the accept button, they will disappear from the pending connection requests and they will become one of your connections. So the next thing is that you might want to have a chat with them. So you click on my connections. Here's the connection that I've just been connected with. You can see their calculation reference. You can also see the last time and date an activity was happened with. So it might be that they received a message, or it might just be that that was the time that they've been connected. And you can also see how long they've been connected for. So this is my connections view, and you can see all of the people who I am connected to. And if I click on this chat icon for any of them, I can see the chats that have been going on between me and this connection. And I can type away a message here. And click enter, or click on this symbol to send it. And wait for my reply. I can also copy and paste hyperlinks into here as well. I think there is a character limit of 1600 characters, so that's quite a lengthy text message, but it won't allow you to send anything too long. You'll see a message if it's too long. From here as well, I can also go into the info icon, which is this little eye, and it takes me back to the connection details. So this is the little bit of background, perhaps their benefits calculation, if they've agreed to share that with you. You won't get a lot of information. You won't be able to see their phone number or anything like that. So going back to the dashboard view, you can see there's a couple of other icons here. My conversations, this is just going to take you to the same view as my connections, so you can kind of ignore that one for the moment. Support chats is going to take you to Slack, and Resource Centre is going to take you to the My Turn2us volunteers portal within the Turn2us website. Eventually, we want these to all be within the app. The only other thing to tell you really about this view is the profile. So if you click on the little person at the top there, that's your profile, that's your information. So if you need to change your password or anything like that, you can do that there. And then the main menu, it's going to take you to all the places that the dashboard takes you. So there's a way to your profile. You can also log out from here. Also importantly, there's contact Turn2us. So this is just a reminder of the connect email address that will come to the team. You might want to contact us if, for example, you want to close a conversation. or you want your connection to be transferred to somebody else, or there's a safeguarding issue, or anything really, you can contact us at any time on that email address. We'll be in the office 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, to respond. One thing that isn't built in here currently, that will be eventually, is that there's no way for you to say that you're offline or that you're unavailable. So you'll need to manage expectations with your connections. So you need to maybe drop them a text if you're going away for a week, or let us know if you think they need to be transferred to somebody else. You won't be disturbed because there are no notifications set up. So it's not like some apps like WhatsApp where you're going to get buzzes in the middle of the night because someone's messaged you. There is nothing like that. So that is in a way a positive thing, but the difficulty is you're not going to know if someone's messaged you very easily unless you log in and keep an eye on it. So you would log in, go to my connections and see if there's been any activity today, for example. There's obviously no pressure to respond instantly, but you might want to just log in every now and then to see if there are any conversations that you need to respond to. I think that's it for now. Eventually, as well, is something that we're working on at the moment. You'll be able to close conversations yourself. This was meant to be in this version, and I'm hoping it will be there by the time we go live. Yep, I think that's it for now. So good luck with the system. If you've got any questions or if you want to have a chat with anyone, go on to Slack. I'm always on there during the day, so I can respond if I see your message. And yeah, we look forward to getting your feedback on the system. Great, thanks.